סרט.
התחלתי.
Hello. Today I'm gonna open bisque. Bisque. Floppies. That's one of my students made. She loves them, as I showed you before. Well, that's black clay, and that's, she made this. She has it all over her garden, backyard. That's something else that my students made for cakes. Small little plates. She made those little tiny owls. Cute, nonetheless. Okay. I actually made this. I took a leaf. I took a leaf and I did that, and I don't know. I'm all mixed. I'm discombobulate. Anyway, that's what I did. I like it. All right, next. Okay. What do you guys think? It's a cat. I thought it was beautiful. That's also something that she made. It's gonna sit something like that. Nice. All right. Nice. That's also, it's a planter. You see, she made a hole. It's supposed to be like a cactus. Nice. Like. Now, next shelves are gonna be all pretty much the same. Oh, except from this. That's one of my students that made. Soap dishes. Well, I'm quite happy about them because they turned out to be flat, and this is what I was worried, that they are not going to come out flat, because sometimes when you put plates in the kiln, they have the tendency to curve, and I don't like it, but this time they came out very, very nice. So I'm happy about it. Excuse me, Bobby. Okay. So I made 40 of these. 40. And today my daughter is making this video. So she's making fun of me. You can't see it, but I see it. All right, more. Stay. More. Isn't that pretty? Straight. That's the way I like it. See? That's how it's gonna come out. I'm gonna show you. That's a sample that I made for her. This is the soap. Nice. I like it. What do you think? She's nodding. Thank you for watching. Bye.